If you edit talking video, time is no longer going to stop you. When you download TimeBolt, you're going to want to know three things. First, does it work on my file? Second, how do I cut out parts that I don't want? Third, how do I share and export my footage into other design editors? You owe it to the people who care about you to stick with me, watch this video, and I'll show you how to get back hours of life. So let's get started. First, we're going to test your file. Open TimeBolt. Click Continue for free. Drop your file in the TimeBolt. Boom. Almost 2 hours of footage, cut in less than a minute, saving some 19 minutes of dead air. The first thing to look at is your audio waveform. Green is what's kept, red is what is to be cut.
Speak English, Doc. We ain't scientists.
The waveform here has very distinct boundaries. Ends of words you can see are not cut off. This is good audio. For the bulk of recordings, default settings are already best. You're going to keep your filter below sound value from -30 to -40 dB. Leave right padding at 0.15 and left padding I'll put at 0.04. If you change any of these settings, click Update Silence Detection. But if when you upload your test file, your audio looks like this, it looks relatively flat, words may be getting cut off, as you can see right here, go into Settings. Click these three audio normalization boxes. Click Restart App. Once you restart the app, the audio waveform now looks like this. Very clear, defined boundaries. That's how I like to edit. At this point, you can scroll down, click Add to Render Queue, and start rendering. Warning, afterglow effects of seeing a smarter, faster you in video will occur. Now, on to question number 2. Is the timeline fully editable? And just how fast can I do it? Editors with years of experience in other design software have entirely switched all their cut work and do it all inside TimeBolt. And this is why. Now, back in TimeBolt, you can see the video and hear the audio preview.
Start the interview off by...
Now, if you upload an H.265 video, something shot on your iPhone, it's going to say video preview is not available, but it will still output with the audio and video intact. Now that we're back into some video and audio that we can see, let's flip on dark mode. There we go. That's easy on the eyes. And expand the timeline out. Red is what you cut. Green is what you keep. You can turn scenes on or off by clicking the bar above the playhead. I hit spacebar to play.
Background as an educator.
If you hear a word or a scene that you want to get rid of, you put your cursor over the audio signature that you want to remove and hit Create Split button. This makes a cut right in the middle of the timeline, and you simply click the red bar to turn it off.
Background as an educator.
So I finished.
There you go. That's much smoother. Now let's really speed things up with quick keys. The quick keys L and O will change how you edit forever. Click L to start the playhead.
Stand out. They were already kind of posting.
Click L twice to preview twice as fast.
Their lectures to YouTube or your internal MOOC.
Pretty significant.
Don't want a scene? Click O. The clip is turned off and the playhead skips to the next scene. Use the O key to cut retakes or large chunks of scenes from anywhere on the timeline.
Oh. You know what I'm talking about. Oh. Yeah. Right. See you guys there.
Typical Command plus Z undoes the cuts. Now, if you hear filler word middle of a scene, you want to cut into the scene, we also have quick keys for that.
Their careers
You hit Command plus B or Control plus B, arrow key over, hit the O key, and that is shut down.
to their careers of not being afraid to put themselves out there.
Much better. To find a complete list of shortcut keys, click here. Now, you're going to often find some random noises inside a marked red section like this.
It's also
This setting is set to cut noise that's less than 3/4 of a second to catch the random mic strikes, your throat clearing, or random word ticks like your ums and ahs. Now it's time to make sure to save your project. You're going to need a paid account to save your timeline cuts. You click this button and it saves it as a JSON file in the same directory as your source file. Now to reopen a project, you're going to open up your same source file inside TimeBolt. You'll click on Apply Timeline Cuts, find your JSON file that's saved, and click OK. Now if you're rendering video inside TimeBolt, you can do a number of rendering enhancements. First is fast forward silences, where you actually speed up moments of silence. I put fast forward silences to anything over 90 seconds, increase it by 4x.
Second,
And then I go to the timeline where there may be visuals that I want to show, not tell. I turn this to orange. Anything that's marked in orange is set to be sped up by 4x. The audio is not included, just the visuals are sped up. Additionally, I can apply transitions. I can also apply looping background audio here. Now for question number 3. What are your export options? You can instantly export XML into Adobe and Resolve and FCP XML right into Final Cut Pro. You can also export a folder of rendered clips and drop right into iMovie or Camtasia. For Premiere editors, TimeBolt has a native plugin to cut multicam footage so fast it'll make your head spin. Click these links for more in-depth video tutorials on how to do exporting. Don't forget to check out our user forum and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm out of time.